my time is running out. Day after day, we make the mundane a masterpiece. Oh mama, love. I take a look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down till the dead and buried. On the edge of the night, strange up in the light. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. I want to dust in the ground of the sanctuary. Shouting, maybe the dust, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, knowing we found hopeless, hallelujah, on the side of heaven's gate. Oh, my life, now do ya breathe and take my breath away? At your altar of grace, to the sculptor of the clay. Oh, mama, take me out to the ordinary. I'm only laying me down to the dead and buried. On the edge of the night, strange up in the light. The angels up in the clouds are jealous that we found something so wild for the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of the sanctuary. Shouting, we make a touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous that we found something so heavenly. I didn't ask to see, but never next to me. Oh mama, what was inside can light until I saw your light. I bet you had to die to find something so out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to the dead and